Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you 2012 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, heated rear seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.